Good evening, YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. Today's another day. It's the second vlog, and let's see how this goes. If you haven't seen my first vlog yet, please do go and find my first vlog. I'll put in a link to it in the description below. But today what I have in plan is there's a Moto Social event going on in downtown. There's going to be a bunch of bikers there and stuff, so that's what the game plan is. We'll be going there, check out some nice bikes, talk to some people, and I think this will probably be one of my first events that I'm actually going to be honest. One of our groups are already there. I'm just running a little late, had some family things to do, but just looking at the weather, it looks like it's gonna rain. I really hope it doesn't rain and just wash the bike now. I don't know, let's see. But right now I'm gonna go and pick up one of my friends. He has a 2018 or 19 Kawasaki Ninja 400. I'll pick him up and then we'll both go there together. That way we can both be fashionably late. But yeah, I'll send you guys more, or I'll show you guys more videos and pictures of bikes there and stuff. We're just about to get to the site. To be honest, I have no clue where this is. I'm just going to say, oh, yeah, never mind. I lied. I do know where this is. I just said I didn't know where it is. This is where it is. Oh, there they are. Right here? Wait, Ellie! Wait! Kind of started raining here, and now people are starting to leave. We were fashionably late, and so we couldn't really do a full round of the entire lot, but there's a lot of bikes. We are trying to get to the clear side. It's definitely clear over there compared to back there. Back there is all dark. I don't know if the mirror shows anything, but over there it looks promising. Hopefully. Uh-oh, I just saw thundering. Never mind, I take my word back. so do you guys see anything new done to the bike? I did this yesterday. It took me about like 45 minutes to an hour, maybe less than an hour for sure. But I got new clutch levers. This one was broken, but now it's not. Now both of them are new. I have to get used to this, the brake clutch. The brake clutch, I think I have to adjust it so it's not too close. Alright guys, so looks like this is the end of the night. The weather hasn't really gotten any better. It's only looks like it's only getting worse. And we did feel a couple of raindrops, and none of us, including me, we don't have our proper rain riding gear. I don't think anyone's really in the mood of getting wet, so I think we're all just splitting. But that was fairly fun. I definitely will look out for more events so I can take you guys along for the ones I can join. So thank you for sticking around till the end of the video, and please do like, comment, and subscribe, and also share it if you could. I would really appreciate it if you could help me grow this channel, as I wanted to get this channel going for a while. But thank you, and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.